Hey everybody and welcome back to another episode of Bake with Shivesh. Today we are making refined flour-free, refined sugar-free, eggless chocolate pancakes. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting with 1.5 cups of milk, and to this I'm adding a tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps me make my pancakes softer, but you can skip this step altogether. I'm mixing both these ingredients together and I'll set it aside for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, I'm adding whole wheat flour or atta. If you like, you could also use maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also adding 1/4 cups of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. You could use jaggery or any sugar that you have at hand. Now using a wooden spoon, I'll just mix my dry ingredients together until they're nicely combined. Once the dry mix is ready, we'll start adding the wet ingredients. Firstly, the milk and vinegar mixture that we had set aside earlier. If you're not adding vinegar, you could add plain 1.5 cups of milk at this stage. To this, 1/3 cups of hot water and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. If you don't have oil, you could also use melted butter. Time to grab that wooden spoon again and give everything a good mix until our thick, delicious chocolate pancake batter comes together. It's now time to cook the pancakes. I'm using a non-stick pan here and brushing it with vegetable oil. You need to set your pan on low flame and let it heat a little. Once your pan is hot, scoop out say about 1/4 cup of the batter and pour it on the hot pan. You don't need to spread the batter or anything. As you would see, it'll spread out a little on its own and take a cute little circular shape. Now be patient and let the pancakes cook slowly on low heat. Don't increase the heat, otherwise you'll burn your pancakes. So I'll cook the pancake for a couple of minutes, and when you start seeing these air bubbles on the surface, that's when you know that you need to flip your pancake. Be super careful and then cook it on the other side for another couple of minutes. Repeat it with the rest of the batter. This recipe makes about 10 pancakes of this size. I know these are supposed to be healthy pancakes, but I love eating them with some ice cream and this chocolate sauce thing that I make by melting half a cup of milk chocolate with a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil. It honestly just takes these pancakes to the next level. I really hope you guys like these pancakes as much as I do, and if you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, you guys know the drill, and send me pictures on Instagram at Shivesh17. I'll see you guys with another recipe very soon. Until then, happy baking and take care.